Everyone, join your hands. We'll start with the prayer. या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करः प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Hello dear children and Namaste. I am Jaimala teacher from Vile Parle Mahila Sangh English Primary School, Vile Parle East. I am very much thankful to my principal madam, Mrs. Sudha Nair, who gave this opportunity to connect with you. My dear children, I hope you all are safe, happy, healthy, fine and fit because everyone is at home and taking care of yourself, correct? Auntie, oh, hi Gampu, how are you here? And why are you so happy? Auntie, I saw the rainbow today. Oh ho, you saw the rainbow and that's why you are very happy. So, what did you see? I saw different colors. Oh, I'm so excited. Auntie, I remember the poem which you have taught us. Yeah, which poem do you remember? It's regarding the rainbow. That's a pretty game. Yes, my dear children, you also remember, no? The poem which you all have learned, a pretty game. It's on the rainbow itself. Are you ready to recite with me, Gampu? Yes, I would love to. Okay, but you sit quietly. One time I will sing with you. Then you are going to sit quietly and listen because I have to talk to my children today. Okay, Auntie. Ready? Shall we recite the poem? Okay. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from its hiding place. At last, they made to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. One more time, Andy, one more time, Andy. Okay, but I don't want you now. You can sit there. See, dear children, we will all sing together in rhythm now. Okay? The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from its hiding place. At last, they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. You all like to see the rainbow. You must be feeling why these days only teacher is talking about rainbow. Are dear children, month of August and Shravan month. And what is there in the Shravan month? There is hide and seek of the sun and the rain. And that is the reason I chose to talk to you about the rainbow. Have you seen the rainbow which is actually forming in the nature? I will show you. Are you all ready for that? Let me share the screen so that I can show you how actual rainbow is formed in the nature. Okay? Observe carefully. Dear children, when we see in the nature, when the rainbow is formed, do you know how it is formed? The raindrops are present, correct? And that time when the sunlight falls on this raindrops, you can see the sunlight gets separated into 7 colors. Dear children, watch this. The camera is put far away. Now in that area, far away from the camera, the clouds are there. And also the sunlight is falling in that area. And now observe the miracle in the nature. Wow! Can you see? Now the band of rainbow is appearing. You can observe the clouds are also moving. When the clouds covered the sunlight, the rainbow will disappear. Got it? The rainbow was seen, but as the sun was covered with the cloud, what happened? The rainbow was disappeared. But these are also the real pictures of the rainbow. See how nice. The sunlight was there and the raindrops were there. That's why we could see the rainbow. Observe the different colors of the rainbow, my dear children. I hope you like this video. Okay, so now we will actually see the colors of the rainbow. Which colors of the rainbow were there? Can anybody tell me which colors are there in the rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Which are those 7 colors? They can be remembered with the help of VIPGYOR, isn't it? VIPGYOR is the short form of all the rainbow colors. V for violet, I for indigo. Which is indigo color? Indigo color is such, when we mix blue and violet color, we get indigo color. Okay, so V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow, which can be kept in your mind easily with the help of this short form, VIPGYOR. Okay? So will you be able to remember these colors of the rainbow now? Okay? Can we play one game using these colors? Dear children, you all must have learned the alphabetical order concept also. Now, you can arrange these names of the colors in alphabetical order. Now, if we want to arrange these colors in alphabetical order, what we should do? We should start with A, B, C, D and complete till Z. That time, whichever letter will come first from this VIPGYOR, that color's name you will write first. Okay? So everyone is ready? So now revise that A, B, C, D, all alphabets in your mind and find out which color will come first. Done? Ready with your answer? Yes, easy. The first color will be starting with B, that is blue. Which will come second? What will be the next? Correct. It will be G. That means after blue, you will write green color. Okay? After G, what should come? I. So, indigo color. And after I, which letter should come first? Correct. O. O for orange. So, you will write, after indigo, you will write orange. After O, what will come? R. So, red. And after red, V. So, violet. And the last, which color you will be writing? Yes, Y for yellow. Now keep your answer ready and check your answer with my answers. Is your answer like this? Blue, green, indigo, orange, red, violet, and yellow. So your alphabetical order of rainbow colors will be like this. Did you enjoy? But you must be thinking what this rainbow and rainbow colors teacher is talking to us. Dear children, today we are going to have fun. And that fun we will be doing with one activity. The activity of making rainbow disc. Okay? That is why I told you a lot about the rainbow. Now, you all know which colors are there in the rainbow. Now, to make rainbow disc, which things do we need? Okay, so when I will tell you the things, you can also note that down and you can find out at home itself. You don't have to go out to buy those things or take those things. Everything will be available at home. Now observe properly which things you have to use for making rainbow disc. The first thing which you will need is white paper. Then one cardboard. Cardboard you can use of any last year's notebook. See, I am also using the same way. Okay. Then the next thing which you will need is one dish. This is just for making a circle on the cardboard or paper. Okay, simple dish. Now you will need one pencil to draw, correct? Then as we have to make 7 parts of this paper, we will be needing one scale, right? Then once we draw 7 parts on that circle, for cutting the circle, you will need one scissor. For coloring, you will need rainbow colors, 7 colors of the rainbow. And you will need one stick also to stick the white paper. When we color to that cardboard, you will need one glue also. Okay, so are you all ready? I'm just repeating the things which we need. White paper, cardboard of last year's notebook, one dish, then pencil, rainbow colors, scale, glue, and a stick. Now the stick also, you don't have to go anywhere. Everyone is having broom at home. So you can break and take one. I have also done the same way. Okay, so this stick also is available at home. Now what we have to do with this all? First thing what you will do is you will place this dish on the cardboard as well as on the white paper. Okay, and once we keep that, you are going to draw a circle with that. Okay, you draw a circle on the white paper as well as on the cardboard. Dear children, do you know who found this first? How the rainbow is formed is found by one of the great scientists, Isaac Newton. Okay, and this scientist found it with the help of prism. What is prism? Prism is simple triangular object which is transparent. Okay, so he found when the white light passes through that prism, the light gets separated into 7 colors. Okay, and then he observed the rainbow. He said, yes, the same technique is there while forming the rainbow. What happens in the rainbow actually? In the rainbow, the white light of the sun falls on the raindrops. Okay, and you all know raindrops means what? Water particles. And when this raindrops, as they are colorless, when white sunlight falls on that raindrop, the sunlight gets separated into 7 colors. And that is why. Now, is there only one raindrop in the sky? No, there are many such raindrops when it rains. Okay, so when it rains, as many drops are there, a big rainbow can be seen in the sky. And as it has got 7 colors, so we are also using 7 colors. आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा कि ये 7 कलर्स के बाद, ये रेनबो डिस्क बनाने के बाद क्या करना है and what is the magic behind it. Now, see my dear children, I have already cut the circle of our cardboard and white paper. Now, you all know which is the shape. Everyone has studied in mathematics. Which is this shape? Circle. It does not have any corners and it has got curved edges. Correct? It has got the middle point which is called as center. Now, we are going to take this center and we are going to mark 7 equal parts with our pencil and scale. Okay? So, here 7 parts we are doing with scale. Dear children, I know when you make 7 parts, no, you are using scale and you will understand what fun you do in the school with this scale. Don't you observe most of the times with the scale like this? I know why do you observe. Because you also see the 7 colors of rainbow through the scale. What happens, you know, here in this case also, when the light passes through this, the 7 colors of white light are separated. And that is the reason why you enjoy watching through the scale. Okay, now I have drawn my 7 lines. Once we draw 7 lines on this, what do you get? 7 triangles. See, out of one circle, we drew 7 triangles. Now what we have to do after this? We have to use each rainbow color and we have to color every triangle with different color. So ready for that? I know you all like coloring, isn't it? So everyone do it, different colors, use them and color this disc so that you will get the colorful rainbow disc. Okay. Everyone is coloring with me. Now, these all colors are present in the rainbow. They are present in the nature. Yes or no? My dear children, tell me what while coloring we can play this game, right? As there are 7 colors of nature, where are they present? Come on, come on, come on. Yes, most of the colors you will find on the flowers itself. Correct? You must have seen the sky with this indigo color as well as blue color. You must have seen the different shades in the sky. Yes or no? Correct? So, different colors in this, even violet colored flowers you must have seen. They look so beautiful, isn't it? Then, you must have seen green colored leaves. Correct? Even when you observe the trees, when you observe the leaves, there are different shades of green color. Correct? There are different shades. And yellow colored flowers also you all have observed. Barabar. Then violet also you all have observed for the flowers. Then yellow, orange, red though most of the time is favorite of everyone. है ना? Especially of the girls. Correct? But blue is then favorite color of the boys also. So in the rainbow, God has chosen all the colors which are favorite for everyone. है ना? Okay, so you are, I hope you all are also doing with me. Here I am keeping my rainbow disc ready. Okay, I have used red, orange, yellow, violet, indigo, blue, green. Okay, so here my colored disc is ready with 7 colors. I'm using simple crayons for this because I know all are having crayons at home. Correct? So this my colored disc is ready. Now what we have to do is this same size circle which we have cut out of the cardboard, we are supposed to stick this on this cardboard. Okay, so I am sticking with the help of glue this paper, colored paper on the circle of cardboard. You all know sticking and cutting and coloring is always favorite for all of you, I know, dear children, and that is why you enjoy doing activities, isn't it? Now my rainbow disc is ready. Now what we have to do next, dear children, we have to use anything. Here scissor is available, so I am using this pointed part of the scissor to make a hole in the center. But dear children, you will do this in presence of your parents. You should not get hurt. You have to be careful. Otherwise, you can take the help of your parents to pierce, okay, to make a hole in this disc. In the cardboard, I am making one hole. After making a hole, we have to take a stick, and after taking a stick, we are supposed to, yes, after making a hole in the disc, we are using this stick. And this stick, we have to pierce through the center of the disc. Okay? Like this. Fine. Now, dear children, our disc is ready. Correct? And now what we have to do? We have to move it. We have to move it means we have to whirl it, spin it. Simple with the help of our hands. Okay. Now, when we will be moving the disc, you will see one magic. What magic you're going to see? Observe that carefully. When we will spin this disc, you will not see the 7 colors. I mean, you have to increase the speed, huh? When the speed will be increased of the speed of spinning is increased, then you will see the magic that all the 7 colors merge into each other, and थोड़ी देर के बाद you will not be seeing any of those 7 colors. You will only see the whitish color or white color. When if you can put mutter to that, then it can be spun very fast. And that time too easily you can see white color. Even I will be showing you how this white color can be made by using this disc, by spinning this disc. So everyone is ready. Okay. See, you will have to give some time for making this comfortable, because for spinning this disc around this uh, s- stick, you will the boat should be comfortable for moving. Yes, so I hope everyone is ready to see the magic. Ready? Everyone ready? One, two, three, and start. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I have to move a little more faster. And you can also do the same thing. Okay, ready? Everyone ready? Just observe the disc. You will see that. Yes! Yes! Okay, understood how to make that. One more time. Okay, observe this. You can see all the colors are merging now. Okay, when we spin this disc, you can see the colors will merge into each other, and then they become light in color and faint in color, and then you can see the disc becoming white, fast, 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 fast. Okay, dear children. Now, once again, I will do, and I will revise what things we needed for this. This disc, no, dear children, can also be festivities will be there. So what you can do is you can make different this colored rainbow disc, and you can make them something decorative. Okay, for your Ganpati Bappa or whichever festivals you are enjoying at home. Okay, so now I would like to show you and revise what things actually we did for making this rainbow disc. Is everyone ready? Okay, I'm sharing you a screen for that. Please observe this PPT properly. Now, you all can see what things do we need to make this rainbow disc. What technical issue? Let us check. Yes, this is what I want to show you. Yes. Okay, which activity we did? That is rainbow disc activity, correct? Now, what we have to do for this? We have to take a cardboard and a white paper, and we have to cut them into circles of the same size. Now we have to divide this white circle into 7 equal parts, and we have to color each part with different rainbow colors. Once that colored paper is ready, we have to stick the colored circle on that circular cardboard. After that, we have to make a hole in the center and then pierce a stick in the center of the cardboard. Then what we have to do? We have to move the disc around the stick, and we will see the magic. See, here in this picture, you can easily observe how actually it works. See, first the 7 colors you can see on the disc, and then when we move it, spin it, then the colors are merging with each other, and in the last step you can see the white color can be seen. I hope you all have observed, but just to make it more clear, what I will do, I will show you one video of actually when the disc is done and when it is moved or when we spin it, what happens. Okay, so just observe the small video of spinning of the disc. Yes, can you see? Okay, once again, first the 7 colors were there. Now when we spin fast, see here, but you have to move it fast. Yes, I hope you have understood now how we did. Okay, so this way you can enjoy your rainbow disc making activity. I hope, my dear children, you all have loved to watch it, and I'm sure you all are going to do also at home. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye bye.